Support for exporting actuator metrics to StatD. Support for exporting actuator metrics to Wavefront. Auto configuration for JPA metrics, Jersey actuator metrics, Mongo metrics, JPA metrics, RC, DBC metrics, Redis metrics, actuator startup time metrics. Task execution and scheduling metrics, Jetty actuator metrics, Tomcat actuator metrics, actuator Neo4j concerns, the micrometer observation API, Spring batch observations, Spring GraphQL observations, web client observation support, WebFlux actuator observations, Spring MVC observation support, actuator Quartz scheduler concerns, actuator RCDBC, actuator scheduling concerns, actuator security using WebFlux, actuator security using Spring MVC, actuator Spring Sessions concerns, actuator application startup concerns, actuator system concerns, micrometer tracing, tracing with OTLP, Prometheus exemplars with the micrometer tracing, tracing with Wavefront, tracing with Zipkin. Classes shared between Wavefront tracing and metrics, core classes for auto configuration of actuator web concerns, auto configuration for actuator HTTP exchanges, configuration for a Jersey-based management context, classes for auto configuration of actuator web request mapping concerns, configuration for WebFlux-based management context, actuator web server support, actuator Spring MVC support, actuator support for application availability concerns, actuator support relating to Spring Beans, actuator support for caches, actuator support for Cassandra, actuator support relating to Spring Context, actuator support relating to external configuration properties, actuator support to Couchbase, actuator support for Elasticsearch dependent on Spring data, actuator support for Mongo dependent on Spring data. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American researcher, inventor, engineer, and entrepreneur. My life story is available in my autobiography. I pursue what I really want to do in my life, which is advancing AI, robotics, human longevity biotech, and nuclear fusion reactors powered outer space tech. I sell a number of products online for commissions for financially self-supporting my cause of advancing science, technology, and capitalism. I personally use all the products that I sell via affiliate marketing or online recommendation. All the products I sell online are listed at alanyoung.dev/product. I need to stay lean for top mental performance. Being fat slows me down. Being lean speeds me up. Visit alanyoung.dev/fat loss for the natural diet, body fat loss product I use and recommend. I need to constantly program my mind for success. Visit alanyoung.dev/success for the Success Mind programming product I use and recommend. I need to handle my dating and lifestyle for success in my whole life, not just in business and career. Visit alanyoung.dev/dating for men's dating and lifestyle coaching product I use and recommend. I teach myself software development for developing and commercializing AI, robotics, biotech products. Visit alanyoung.dev/courses for my software development courses. I'm looking for accredited investors for funding my startup in AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech. If you'd like to invest in my startup, visit robocentric.com/investors.